Hi viewers, so I am Surya Prakash. I am explaining Python application programming lecture 2 today. Today I plan to explain why we have to learn programming, what is the necessity of the coding part, what and all opportunities we will get when we are learning programming perfectly. All these things I plan to explain in the today's session. So today's session briefly explain about the concepts of how the programming will play a major role in an individual when he is good in any one programming or in Python programming. So here, first of all, when you are learning programming, that will guarantees a job. So it will surely guarantees a job if you are a good coder, if you are solving the problem on time with use of analytical skills on solving the particular problem and identification for the problem. So you will be getting job in a very fast manner. So in current scenario, there are a lot of jobs with use of Python. We can able to move for machine learning. As a data scientist, we can able to go with use of Python programming. The base programming is the basic for getting into data science. So if you want a data science scientist post, the base is Python programming. With use of Python programming, we can able to learn machine learning packages, and we can able to become a good data scientists. Another programming is there, R programming also there, but compared to R and Python, my suggestion is Python is easy to learn because already you learned C++ programming. If you know C++ programming in a good manner, learning Python is easy one. Okay, so full stack developer opportunities also there. You can, if you know only Python, you can able to go as a Python developer. That opportunity also there, and artificial intelligence opportunity also there. There are three different categories are there. One is machine learning, another one is deep learning, another one is reinforcement learning. All these things, the Python plays a major role. All these codings you can able to do with use of Python programming language. Next to that, you can able to create anything what you want, not only for org oriented thing. Lot of online project things are there. Kaggle website is there. You can go to Kaggle website and you can log in there. Lot of projects they are given in Python programming, mean by data science projects are available there. You can take any one project and you can solve with use of your own coding knowledge with use of Python programming language. So Python programming language will give you a confident in creating anything. Whatever you want, you can create, and you can give solution for that, and you can earn through online. Okay. So the third point, you can able to understand how the software works. So when we are coding a particular thing, and if it is executing properly, we will get some happiness and we will get some confidence in that. So we can easily understand how the software works from the starting to the end of the code. You can able to do the analysis of the code, and you can able to make some corrections and make your code very simple, and it's easily understandable to the end user or who is working on the particular project. So it will give a confidence, and it will just give a confidence on understanding the software work what you've done. And not only in the programming level, whatever the real-time problem you are getting, you will get a persistence to identify the solution for that particular problem. So it will make you a problem solving person, like that. Mean by whatever the problem, real-time problem or analytical problem, whatever the problem you are getting on real time, that can be solved by yourself. You can able to identify the solution for the real-time problem with use of this knowledge. So learning programming will give you a thought that you can able to find solutions for every problems. And the main thing, it will combine technical skills and creativity. You can able to create something. If you want to create a robot, so that what and all things needed. If you want to identify temperature among different type of peoples, for example, nowadays we have to identify whenever they are entering into a particular location, we have to identify whether that person having higher temperature or normal. For that identification, in spite of checking one by one, we can make a particular project that all persons can be face recognized, and we can able to identify whether the person is having a normal temperature or high temperature. We can able to create that technical skill will be we will learn the technical skill, as well as we will come to know how to use the technical skill to develop a creative project or an innovative project. That type of things will come when you are learning a program. Next to this, we are having we have developing the problem solving skills. Whatever the problem we are getting, we have to solve the problem in a particular time period. So that what the expectation of all corporate companies. They will give a scheduled time. So within the scheduled time, you have to finish your project and you have to submit to your higher ups. So the problem solving skill will be cultivated. So you will get whatever the problem you are getting, you can able to solve the particular problem in very fast manner, so that your problem solving skill will be improved. And finally, we are having entrepreneurship. So we can able to start our own business with use of this particular confidence. When you are a programmer, lot of programmers have started their own business. When we are seeing our Infosys Narayana Murthy sir, he started as a career as he's an engineer and started his career as a developer, like that. Then when we are seeing further company CEOs, all are basically they are programmers. So when they learn programming, they got confidence and they started their companies, and they are now successful persons in the society. So the learning program will give you all this confidence, so that you can able to grab a good opportunity in getting job, and you can able to develop your skills in terms of analytical skill and real-time problem solving skill, and you can get technical skills also, and you can able to understand how the flow of the program works. You can able to get a confidence in doing a entrepreneurship, and you can able to give jobs for others. This is the utmost usability of learning program. So these are the basic things I explained today for our lecture 1. So I hope you understand, you may get confidence. So what the thing, if you are learning Python, there is plenty of opportunities. You can able to move for a data science job, or you can able to move for reinforcement robotics. All these opportunities you can able to get by learning our Python programming. So continuously you can watch Python programming lectures. So after this first lecture, I plan to take Python variables, the next one with sample codes. That will be very much useful for you. So hands-on session I plan to take for Python variables. So support, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you very much.